Macros with arguments. The macros that we have used so far are called simple macros. Macros can have arguments just as functions. Here is an example that illustrates this fact. So, macros are similar to functions. They can also have arguments like functions. Hash define area x 3.14 star x star x. So this is a macro called area. Now main float r1 is equal to 6.25, r2 is equal to 2.5, comma a. So a is also float. Now a is equal to area r1. Printf slash n area of circle is equal to percent f comma a. A is equal to area r2. Printf slash n area of circle is equal to percent f comma a. So here is output of program. Area of circle is equal to 122.656250 and area of circle is equal to 19.625000. In this program, wherever the preprocessor finds the phrase area, it expands it into statement 3.14 star x star x. The statement area r1 in the program causes the variable r1 to be substituted for x. Thus the statement area r1 is equivalent to 3.14 star r1 star r1. After the above source code has passed through the preprocessor, what the compiler gets to work on will be this. Main float r1 is equal to 6.25, r2 is equal to 2.5 a is equal to 3.14 star r1 star r1. So here we are getting that r1 r2 and a are float. Now a is equal to 3.14 star r1 star r1. Printf area of circle is equal to percent f slash n comma a. Now a is equal to 3.14 star r2 star r2. Printf area of circle is equal to percent f comma a. Here is another example of macros with arguments. Hash define is digit y, then y is greater than 48 and y is greater than or equal to 57. Main char ch printf enter any digit, scanf %c comma ampersand ch if is digit ch. Printf on next line you entered a digit, else printf slash n illegal input. So this is another example of macro. Be careful not to leave a blank between macro template and its argument while defining the macro. For example, there should be no blank between area and x in the definition. Hash define area x 3.14 star x star x. If we were to write area x instead of area x, the in bracket x would become part of macro expansion, which we certainly don't want. So what would happen is the template would be expanded to r1 3.14 star r1 star r1, which won't run, not at all what we wanted. The entire macro expansion should be enclosed within the parenthesis. Here is an example of what would happen if we fail to enclose the macro expansion within parenthesis. So macro expansion should be enclosed within parenthesis. So this is an example in which macro expansion is not if macro expansion is not included within parenthesis, then what will happen? Hash define square in bracket n star n main int j is equal to 64 divided by square 4. Printf j is equal to percent d comma j. The output of above program would be j is equal to 64. Whereas what we expected was j is equal to 4. What went wrong? the macro was expanded into j is equal to 64 divided by 4 into 4, which yielded 64. So we cannot do that. That means it should not be out of parenthesis, it should be in parenthesis.